Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into ElevenLabs. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the website. So just open your browser and go to the ElevenLabs.io and then just click on log in on the top right corner of the homepage. So click it and then here you will need to enter your credentials. Okay, so the email and the password you used to sign up, okay, and then just go with sign in. You can also sign in with Google or Apple, okay. So if you signed up using the Google or Apple, just click the respective button and follow the prompts to authenticate, and if prompted, complete the captcha or email verification. Some accounts may require two-factor authentication if enabled, so keep that in mind. And once logged in, you will be directed to your ElevenLabs dashboard where you can start generating AI voices, managing projects, or exploring features. And if you forgot your password, you can click forgot password option on the login page to reset it via your email. So after logging in, you can use all the tools of ElevenLabs as well, okay? So you can go with the playground section, products section, extra. You can even upgrade it to a higher plan. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.